A lot of my students have asked me what is hand over hand and what is cross. In this video, I have not only explained what is hand over hand cross, but I have also explained that how you can learn hand over hand technique very rapidly. The first thing you do in the car is to adjust your sitting posture as per your own requirement. Open the steering lock, pull out, push, up and down. Stretch your arms. The wrist should rest on the top of the steering wheel, and you should be able to see the dashboard properly. That's where you lock these wheels. The wheel should not be less than 25 centimeters from your body, and you should feel very comfortable behind the wheel. Arm should be V-shaped. Next one, how to hold the steering. You can hold the steering 10 to 2, quarter to 3. The best way to hold the steering is quarter to 3, so that turning can be adjusted as per the turn. In case the airbag has to be deployed in case of mishap or accident, this is the safest place for you to hold the steering. When you're turning the car, when turning the wheel, do not put the hand inside. Do not turn with the wheel with the one hand. You can use one hand only in case of when you're reversing. So when you turn the wheel using, this is hand over hand, turning left, turning right, and that's the hand over hand. But when you turn the wheel and hold the steering and lock the wheel, lock your hands like this is called cross, or some people calling it locking the wheels. Don't do it. You can lose control over the car. Only two techniques are allowed: hand over hand or pull and push. Now, how can you master the technique very rapidly and become a very good driver? If this is a clock, if this steering is a clock facing towards you, so we will divide this one into 4 parts: 12, 6, 9, and 3. So you can turn the wheel by using 9 o'clock, second hand will come around 12, and third hand will come around 3 o'clock. So watch again: 9, 12, and another one, 12 o'clock. When you're turning right, 3 o'clock, 12 o'clock, and another 12 o'clock. Now these are just guideline only. When you start turning like these, slowly but eventually your hand will starting to adjust as per the turn. Okay, now I'm going to show you practically how you can learn hand over hand technique very quickly. So I have taken 3 pieces of masking tape. Hold the steering from quarter to 3 and put the first tape around here. This is for left turn. Turn the wheel up to 9 o'clock. The second hand, this was 12 o'clock. So second tape will come here. So that is first, second, and third one is also around 12 o'clock. So I have taken a texture. 1, 2, and that's number 3. So you can turn the wheel by doing 1, 2, 3 for a left turn. If you're going to turn right, so you have to replace the tape toward this way: 1, 2, and 3. So you have to change the tape this way. So this is what I'm going to show you, the 1, 2, 3 number. Let's do it. So I'm turning left here by using 1, 2, 3 number. 1, second hand coming on the second tape, third one coming on the third one. And let the wheel roll back and control with the palm of your hand. Again we're turning left. Same technique we're using, hand over hand. 1, 2, 3, release and control. One more left turn. One, 2, 3, release and control. So I have just shown you that how you can learn with 1, 2, 3 number. But please make sure you do in a very quieter area and an empty car park. And do it very slowly. Do not lose control over the car. Slowly, eventually, your hand will starting to turn as per the requirement. And these are just guidelines only. Lot of my students, those who are not able to pick it up with 1, 2, 3 number, I use a different method with them. I use a color tape, white and green, or any color tape you can use it. So you hold the steering from quarter to 3, turn the wheel, and the first one, which is the green tape, will come here. Second one will come here, that's the white color tape. So for left turn, green and white. So for the right turn, you have to do the same other way around. So I'm going to show you practically that how we do it. Let's see. Keep an eye here. Look properly. So turning left again. That's the green. Second hand will come on the white. Release the wheel. Again I'm turning left. Slowly. Green. White. Let the steering roll back and control. One more left turn, very slow speed, green, white, so I have just shown you all the technique which you can use it with 9, 3, 12 or 1, 2, 3 or green color as the white color. So whichever suits you, try it out. Please try in a quieter area and have a good control over the car. Thank you everyone for watching the video. If you have got any questions, please do write to us. Please drive safely on the road and I will see you next time.